What's up, fellow traders? It's Sunday night. I just wanted to start the week off, let you know where I stand as far as my Jazz short, JAS. I added to it 29. I'm going to show you why tonight. It's definitely the top. It reminds me of a trade I did in Big Lots, and it's going to be interesting to see how this one plays out. As far as the market, we're still, in the moment, as I put it, on the quadruple nut on the S&P, and we're on a pretty strong double nut on the Dow right now. Resistance, that is, and we're definitely set up for our little pullback. I am shocked it's gone this high. Definitely a little bummed. These other guys are coming out calling the top here last week. Usually it's nice when it's a quiet top and it already retreats before everybody's calling the top. We'll see how this plays out, but I'm going to grab the camera right now and show you what I'm looking at this week. Check this out. This is the Dow 3-year chart right here. This is February 07. This is a weekly chart, and this was our first nice, week of selling that I like to point out. This is when the actual crash, the topping, was taking shape right here. We're right on this nut from that top to our last low before our October dip. Puts us at our top last week. I don't know if you can see it, but it puts it as even on the upper wick. Didn't even hold it, so we dinked it and came off. And same with our next little top we made. These are the where it kind of fluffed above it and gave you hope, then it fell below it, then it came above it, then it fell below it again. So this could be our top down trend line right here. Not this one, not these two tops here, but this one right here puts us right there too. And if you remember, if you were watching the market, our first super plunge, and then we had a major update where the market came back like 900. This was this week candlestick. Obviously it couldn't hold it, but that was our first plunge and rebound, where the closest we came to 10,000 was like 9,700, and we're damn near there. I mean, it could go up another 100 from here, 150 to dink this, but I think these double nut here is gonna hold here. I'm looking for a pullback to 87.50 to start with. But like I was saying, we came 50% down, 50% up. Even a 20% pullback, 25% pullback will put us 8,000. Where are we at? 9,500. So half of that's 4,700, and then half of that. So we're at like a 2,300 pullback from here. Okay, 95, so that's like a 7,500 for a 25. 20 puts us at, the 8,000 mark, which should be right here. Again, it's probably, we're all damn near, be all out on the short side to see what happens, and that's kind of how it usually happens sometimes, because I got in right through this area, and I had my one chance to get out right there. That Monday I was hoping for one more down day in the market, and it's went up ever since that day. If you remember, we were on a quadruple nut. But I'm going to close this out real quick and show you where I'm coming from on Jazz, give you guys something to look at on other stocks that you're thinking of shorting, because like I said, I pulled this off on Big Lots, and I like to see this right across these these last tops it made last June, July, August puts us right there, 900 stores, 48 states, not much room for huge growth. Definitely ready for a pullback down to 20, low 20s right there. I'm liking that. Let's watch this close. Like I said, I added some in the 29s. I hit 25, 29. I didn't want to wait until after earnings just in case we got the plunge. This was something that I was ready to trade. And like if you remember, I hit it right here when I shorted around 22 and it dropped back to 20. And so now we're up near 30. My average on that's right around 28. So we'll see how that one plays out. Jazz. So next week, everybody returns after the holiday, and it's really going to be interesting to see which way this market moves from here at the top of these huge big dog trend lines. We've busted through some key resistance, we've held on some key supports, but the volume's not there, and that's what's going to make me a believer. Definitely has hurt my trading the past couple months, but you can't always call them right. Marathon, not a sprint. Good luck.